Welcome to Stick Shift Hot Wheels. Today I have a very special unboxing of some cars that are very special to me. It is the History of Hot Wheels 2 from 1996. It was sold by FAO Schwarz. If you flip it over, it shows all the cars. So this set features some cars with real riders, some cars with co-mold wheels. I wish all of them had the co-mold wheels, but Hot Wheels loved these ugly hubcap rail riders in the 90s.
Oh my god, ew, David!
And I don't know why people foam at the mouth over real riders from the 90s, but they're just not very attractive. These ones in gold actually look slightly better than just the regular chrome ones, so there's that. But the cars themselves look really cool. They have awesome paintwork. History of Hot Wheels 2. Hot Wheels proudly presents this limited edition of 8 extraordinary sports cars from 5 history-making decades: the 1950s, 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, and 1990s. This is a limited edition set. Mine is number 4,245. I will have to look up how many were actually produced. I don't think it was a ridiculous amount. I'm going to guess 5 or 10,000. Side it says the history of Hot Wheels 2. And then the front has this tab here. It opens up to reveal, surprise, surprise, the cars again. But what's cool is there's a lot of text on this other side. The history of Hot Wheels 2. Take a smooth, fast ride to the Sports Car Hall of Fame with Hot Wheels, the coolest miniature die-cast metal cars. Start your engine and drive in the year 1958. Go through the 60s, 70s, and 80s with cool muscle cars and European speed machines. Then race to the checkered flag with futuristic dream cars from the 90s. Cruise the nifty 58 Corvette and the sleek Ferrari 250, smooth as your well-worn leather jacket. Master the dangerous curves of the psychedelic 60s with the powerful Shelby Cobra 427 SC and the flawless split-window 63. Move to the groove 70s style with the sleek Corvette Stingray parked in the reserved space. The glamorous and extravagant Ferrari Testarossa drives into the spotlight, a superb representation of the 80s dream car. Here and now in the 90s, tastes of the sports car enthusiast drive to the futuristic. Capture the unbelievable beauty and styling of the Dodge Viper RT10 racing alongside the sensational 96 Mustang GT Coupe. 8 extraordinary cars, 5 history-making decades. The history of Hot Wheels 2 is a unique collection you will proudly show off for years down the road. That's a really cool summary of the cars, and it really kind of tells you where Hot Wheels was at and what they were thinking with this set. That's really special. Very cool. Here's the cars. I think they look really awesome, and I'll be opening these up. My favorites from the set are the 96 Ford Mustang GT because it's the same color, bright Atlantic blue, as my cousin's 98 Mustang Cobra, and the Ferrari Testarossa in this dark metallic red with the gold 5-spoke co-mold wheels. Looks absolutely stunning. And the Dodge Viper RT10 in red was a staple from the Blue Card series, so to have that car with treasure hunt co-mold wheels is really special. I also really like the metallic purple 63 split window Corvette. I think that looks really classy. And this black 250 Ferrari is really, really elegant. And I actually kind of like this. It's like a fluorescent bright yellow with the gold rear riders for the Shelby 427 SC. Looks very, very cool. And the other two Corvettes, I think they look nice. They don't really stand out too much to me. But this is a really, really awesome set. I can't wait to get ready to open it. The last thing I wanted to show was the original FAO Schwarz UPC sticker. It says 96 History of Hot Wheels. So unfortunately, I am going to have to take the knife and split it down the middle here to open it. I think that's probably going to be the best course of action. Get the glue. You can already hear it. Oh, good. The glue is so old that it just kind of pops out. Oh, it's all yellow coming out. Oh, that was easy. Way easier than I thought. Okay. There we go. Good news about this set is that you can always put it back in the package later on. Looks like there's a limited edition paperwork. Warranty card? Warranty card. 2-year limited warranty. I mean, I really crack up, over Hot Wheels because, some of the main lines, it's like, there's airs, some of the cars don't have wheels, they don't have tampos. So it's like, what are you supposed to do? Return the cars? What are you supposed to do with this? You give it to your kid, the kid plays with the cars, and then, something happens and you call them up. I mean, it makes absolutely no sense. This is ridiculous. Oh. Stuck on this other side. Shit. Well, this is a really stupid design. The hell? Alright, you pull both sides apart. Well, that was frustrating. So, just so anyone's wondering, there's these little indents here that hold it together, but literally it wants to pull apart right after you take it out. So literally we're just going to set this down. Alright, the big moment of truth. Are you ready? Waited a long time for this moment. Dun, dun, dun. Whew. Oh yeah. Those are sweet. Okay. So, I don't know what car is car number 1 because it kind of flips back and forth, but I think this is car number 1. 58 Corvette. I'll put these on the turntable and do a proper review. It's got a Looks like, oh wow, this is really cool. So normally this interior piece is chrome, but on this car they painted, Hot Wheels painted the seats and the dashboard red, but left the headrest chrome and the bumpers chrome. That's all one piece. Oh, that's really special. I've never really seen them do that before. That's awesome. Okay, I'm starting to see why the set is going for what it's going for. Very cool. There's the engine. All right, that's car number one. Oh, yeah. Wow, this purple is so rich. I love the gold Vero Riders. Really classes it up and makes it look more unique. And this car is going to look absolutely phenomenal next to my 1995 blue split window Corvette Treasure Hunt. Next up, we have the 78 Corvette in metallic green with green tinted windshield. That's really awesome. And I don't know if you can see that. There's a little bit of flashing. Oh yeah. Check it out. The Goodyear just blurs into white when you spin the tires. Wow, it spins so fast. It's got the metal base on this one. Next up, we have the red Dodge Viper RT10. What the hell is that? White? Paint or something. Oh, it's flawless. What is this white stuff all over the car? I don't know what that... It's like flecks of paint from the cars. There's green on the other side of it. That's really weird. Oh yeah. God, I love these coal molds. It really classes up the look of the car. And I think I would swear the paint on this is actually a little bit better quality than just a regular 99-cent Hot Wheel. I don't know. There's no flaws in it like a 99-cent car. They really made sure, I think, that they were in perfect condition. Oh, I'm so happy I bought this. Just wish I would have bought it years ago when it was more affordable, but yeah, the paint quality of these cars is really, really nice. This metal flake black, ooh, the gold wood tops, the tan interior. Oh yeah, that is hot. Next up, we have the Cobra with opening hood. Oh yeah, that's sick. Love it. This one doesn't roll very well. The tires actually hit the body, the inner fenders when the car rolls, and then it like skids and doesn't roll. That's really interesting. There's definitely some fat meats on this. All right, next up, car that's going for a ridiculous amount of money. Interestingly, there's a little bit of scuffing on the roof here. Now, unfortunately, this Testarossa has plastic rear bumper here because the same color is part of the interior. It's a really stupid design for making this car. I can't believe that Hot Wheels was like, oh yeah, this is great. We're going to make this car in '87 and we're going to do that because it really kind of hurts every iteration of this car that's ever been made. But you kind of have to overlook it because, oh man, this red is gorgeous. I love the 5-spoke Pro Circuit co-mold wheels. This is gorgeous. I can see why this car alone is selling for, I don't know, 40, 50 bucks. God damn, is it gorgeous. I mean, it's almost worth buying the set just for that car. But honestly, all the cars in this set are pretty awesome. All right, last car. The 96 Ford Mustang GT. And there's slight scuffing on this painted clear roof, and you can actually see the clear through here. And it's a little shoddy there. This side looks better, except for a little scuffing on the Mustang GT symbol. That looks pretty good. I will do a full review on the turntable next. Thanks for watching my review of the unboxing of the 1996 FAO Schwarz History of Hot Wheels 2 set. If you like this video, you may also like to watch my review of all of the cars individually in this separate video. Have a great day!